Hi everybody, welcome back to Keeping Up with Coco. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna do an unboxing video on Bloomingdale's the medium brown bag. So I'm so excited, it just came in today, so I'm super excited. So this is how it came. It comes in a purple plastic bag. And it says, I'm here, how excited are you right now? Super excited. And it says, reward yourself, loyalists get rewards no matter how you pay. Go to Bloomingdale's.com/loyalists to see a sales associate to enroll. So yeah, sorry y'all, I just woke up from a nap. Okay. So I'm gonna open this up and then we gonna come back. So right when you open it up, it says, we hope you love it, Bloomingdale's. And it comes in this brown paper bag with plastic around it. So give me a second. Yeah, okay. It's hard to open things with one hand, so I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I just opened it because I cannot like record and open with one hand. It's just not humanly possible. Okay, so I just love how, first of all, by looking at the bag, isn't she cute? It says Bloomingdale's on the side. This is cute. Okay, I just love how the straps are so big. I love that. And what's inside is just paper. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna just throw it. It has so many papers. So much paper. Is that the last paper? Nope. That's the last paper. Okay, that's the last paper. So, I don't know, is my lighting good enough for y'all? But basically, this is I feel like my shadow's in the way. Let me stand this way. But this is the inside of the bag. She's big and everything.